So you are the new one here, right? Well, welcome to the Glamour Airlines, and today I'm here to board you on a flight, and by the time you land, you're going to be the trendiest person ever. You're going to know it all. That's so fun, right? So without any further delay, let's board the flight. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're brand new here, hi, my name is Sneha. Welcome back to yet another video. In case you haven't watched my recent videos, I have actually started this series wherein I'm talking about the trends that are going on in 2024 and in spring or summer. I have created a video wherein I've talked about fashion trends that are going to be real big in spring and summer or 2024 in general. I've also created an organic haul to provide you with a sense of reference as to what wardrobe pieces would you need in order to meet those trends and in order for you to slay in 2024. Today we are specifically talking about the makeup trends that are going to be prevalent in 2024, that are prevalent in 2024, and how you can create and channelize those trends in a very easy manner. Just before we start, in case you are a beginner at makeup, I'm going to tell this to you guys with grave honesty. There is no one in this world who is very pro-efficient. Everyone is learning at some point or the other. And I've tried my level best to explain these trends in the most simplest manner. I really hope you guys would understand it better. If you have any queries, make sure that you leave them in this comment section below. I would love to answer. And now let's dive right into it. First trend is not exactly a makeup trend. It's actually an ingredient that's going really viral in the beauty section. Yes, I'm talking about peptides. Peptides have been a very viral ingredient, whether it be in terms of skincare or also in some beauty products. I guess this trend started back in 2023 when Rhode actually started launching their products with peptides in it, and that is when people have actually started understanding the importance of peptides and how good are they for your skin. I have actually showed you guys a very good reference, a very affordable reference for peptides. This is by Hyphen and this is their vitamin infused peptide lip balm. Now Hyphen is more so like an affordable version of Rhode. Since Rhode is not available in India, you can actually go for Hyphen. They have very similar formulation and very similar in terms of its texture and application. So just to put it out there, peptides are trending and they are really good for your skin, so why not hop on them? The next trend, or like the first beauty trend that I'm going to be talking about, is cloud skin or skin like makeup, clear skin, clean girl makeup look. They all are the very same thing. You must have seen a lot of celebrities with very flawless skin and very flawless makeup. Well, that's exactly what we are not able to achieve. A lot of times when we start to do makeup, it's very cakey and it starts to break around the edges and it's a mess, to be very honest. But this time they're actually channelizing the cloud skin trend. Now what that basically means is that to not go for heavy coverage, heavy foundations, and to rather offer much lighter coverage in terms of skin tints or CC creams or BB creams. Basically to not go for things that are very heavy on your skin. And personally, I really love this trend because I personally don't like to apply foundation at all. I feel like it's too heavy on your skin, and if you use it on a regular basis, it actually hampers your skin a lot. So it's better that you opt for things such as a skin tint or maybe a CC cream, a complexion cream, a BB cream for day-to-day basis if you want to go to office or college or your 9 to 5 whatever. I feel like these products work equally well. Yes, they are not that high coverage, but at the same time they allow you to channelize this trend. They look flawless. They don't show that cakiness, and at the same time they are trending, so why not opt for them? Another trend that's going really viral is monochromatic makeup. Monochromatic is also a really good way to channelize both in terms of outfits and also makeup. I really love a brown look with nude makeup, nude lips. It looks so beautiful, right? If it's a pink eyeshadow, then maybe you can pair it up with a pink lip. That's all about it. Basically, your eye look, whatever you're doing, should be the same as your lip shade. That's all we're going to be talking about in simplest terms. So monochromatic makeup is something that you can hop on. It's very easy to achieve. At the same time, it looks very pretty. The next trend on our list is peach blush. Peach blush is making a comeback. I remember for the longest time now we have been obsessed with pink blushes, and even I totally forgot the importance and the effectiveness of a peach blush. I'm wearing a peach blush right now and it looks so natural, it looks so beautiful. I feel like peach blush actually helps you in enhancing your features. At the same time, it looks very subtle. When we wear an overload of pink blush or any other blush, I do think that it looks a little overloaded and we look like a ball of blush. Yes, I do love that sometimes, but I feel like this year we are really going for a more subtle form of makeup. So this is a really good option for that. Another trend that's really going viral is glazed makeup. Now glazed makeup is more so like a highlighted makeup, but not actually. So what it looks like is something that you must have seen on Hailey Bieber's feed. It looks very glowy. So when we talk about glowy makeup, we are actually talking about a more glazed makeup. What you have to do for that is very, very simple. Whenever you are doing makeup, make sure that you mix a pump of highlighter in your Lumi cream, your primer or your foundation or anything that you are using, and then mix it up with your blush as well. Popup Color is going to be the big trend. I remember how I talked to you guys about the very same thing in fashion trends as well. Popup Color is really going to be the thing, and I feel like blue in specific is going to be the color of 2024. I'm actually wearing a blue eyeliner today to channelize this trend, and blue liner is definitely going to be in 2024. Any way that you can put up blue in your makeup is definitely going to be shining out. You can either add it in your inner corners, you can maybe create a wing liner. Graphic liners are also going to be in trend. You can play with your liners in any and every way possible. Just make sure that you add colors here and there. Elevated lashes are also going to be the trend, as it is always. Make sure that you invest in a good mascara if you don't want to go for lashes. I feel like mascara is a really good option if you have a good one. Maybelline Sky High is like one of my favorite mascaras. It provides you with really good volume. For elevated lashes, I would suggest you guys to go for a mascara that's lengthening and voluminizing. Lengthening mascara would actually help you in reaching towards sky high, at the same time channelize the elevated lashes aesthetic. At the same time, voluminizing mascara would help you in creating that bulk underneath. Lastly, ombre lips are going to be the trend. In case you love applying lipsticks in different ways, at the same time you want it to be a little bit more subtle, I feel like this is a really good trend for you. I am actually wearing an ombre lip right now. A tutorial here for you guys. It's actually just 2 steps. All you have to do is take a lip liner and actually apply it as if you are applying a lipstick, and make sure that you do it in a very thick manner. And for the rest of your lip, all you have to do is just layer it up with a lip gloss and you're good to go. I feel like ombre lips is such a cute trend. It looks so pretty. No matter in what color you want to do it, I feel like nude looks the best in my case, and I actually really like it. It's a very different way to apply a lipstick. It looks really good, and I feel like applying lip liner in this way actually creates a lot of difference. So those were all the trends that I had to share with you all. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching and got an idea as to what trends are going viral in 2024 and what you can do in order to channelize them. I feel like this year's trends are very easy to understand, at the same time very easy to recreate. I really hope you guys would recreate them. Do let me know what you think about these, and do make sure that you channelize these trends and make sure that your makeup looks good, because fashion is one aspect, makeup is another aspect, and they combined together is what creates an entire look. So make sure that you go and watch the fashion trends video as well, such that you are in top of the trends and you make the best of these glamour airlines. If you've landed to your destination, I'm going to be catching you guys in the next video. In case you're new, you like this video, make sure that you press the like button and subscribe to the channel, because this is your gateway to Pinterest fashion and beauty. I'm going to be catching you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself, stay safe, stay happy, stay trendy. I'll see you right there on our next flight. Goodbye.